The owner of KFC revealed to me the secret of the perfect chicken, and I have to share it. In a bowl with 800 grams of chicken wings, I'll add Pepsi until covered, then cover the bowl and let it marinate for 30 minutes. After that time, I'll remove the chicken and set it aside. In a pan, I'll add 2 tablespoons of butter, stir until melted. Then I'll add a drizzle of oil and stir. I'll add the chicken wings and fry until golden on both sides. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Michael Harris from Dallas, Texas. I'm really glad you're enjoying our recipes. In a small bowl, I'll add 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix everything very well until smooth. Tell me how you make chicken wings at home. I'd love to know your recipe. After frying the chicken wings, I'll add the sauce we prepared, half a cup of Pepsi, and mix well. I'll cover and let it cook for 30 minutes. This recipe turns out incredibly delicious. Make it at home and then come back to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Finally, I'll add green chives to taste. The flavor is amazing. You won't regret making it. You'll only want to make chicken wings like this from now on. They're that delicious.